What's up everyone? If you ever tried to disable Windows Update, you probably know that Windows 10 will enable it after a short period of time, but there is a way to disable it permanently, which I will show you in this video. So here are the steps. First, open services. You can do it like this. Right click on the start button, select run, then enter services.msc. Find Windows Update service. First, stop the service. Second, set startup type to disabled. Click apply. Now, we disabled the service, but Windows 10 will enable it. For the service to be disabled permanently, do the following thing. Open Logon tab, click this account, then browse, advanced, find now, and select guest account. OK. In the password and confirm password, set nothing. Now click OK. That's it. Now the Windows Update service will not start anymore, and you will not have any Windows updates. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.